everyone and welcome to my channel Pinky Petal. Today I'll be showing you how to make this wonderful handprint craft butterfly. For this wonderful beautiful butterfly you will need 2 colored papers, a printed hand, a glue stick, scissors, black marker, hot pink marker or red marker, googly eyes, a pencil, and small colorful strings for the wing decoration. And now let's get started. These are all my parts, and now I'm going to glue them all together into a beautiful butterfly. You all enjoyed this video. If you did, press the like button and subscribe if you want to follow more of our journey. I will see you all next time.